Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft People for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 14, change the layout. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this company works with a business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications. Go to All Applications, scroll to Explore all the applications. Now let's click on Microsoft People, wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, what we can do is to change the layout from what it is now. It's a simplified layout. Let's just go to the arrow that points towards the bottom of the screen on the right top corner. Click on this and the layout should allow us to change it from the simplified ribbon to the classic ribbon. Let's click on classic. A couple of reasons why you may want to do this. From my personal experience, I really think that the logos or the icons on screen really do stand out, and so they catch the eye, and then you're able to fully focus on what is required to be done, whereas the simplified ribbon may not seem enlightening to the eyes. So what we can do is switch back to classic ribbon. Who knows, in the near future they may change this and keep it to the simplified version, but for them to allow us to rechange back to the classic from the simplified is a good thing. And so what we can now do is quit Google Chrome, and so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.